my name is Nisanur. Today I come to you with a very nice and practical dessert recipe. We will souffle. If you are ready, let's start. Our ingredients: 8 grams of dark chocolate, 50 grams of butter, half a glass of flour, half a glass of sugar, and 3 eggs. Firstly, let's open the oven 220 degrees. Melt butter and dark chocolate over low heat. Let's turn off the stove and add flour, then mix. Whisk the sugar and eggs, flour until whitening. Add our chocolate paste and mix it again. Let's oil or heat-resistant cake pots. Then put our dough into molds. Our souffles in the oven 15 minutes. Souffles are ready.